Hi folks, I'm going to really quickly show you how to blend your normal map with your metal map or roughness map so that you can get the two files spread together instead of Nifskope. So I've got my normal map from one of my projects here. I'm going to copy across my metal map across on top. And first of all, you just need to select all in that area and copy this one here. Go over to channels, add a new channel which will be your alpha, paste the data into there, click this button here which will create a mask with it, click down here to then apply that mask, and you can remove that, and that's you done. And when it comes to save this, make sure you save it as a PNG, or as a TIFF won't work. I tried using a TIFF before and the save looked fine, but when applied in Nifskope only half the door was shaded. I think you can get NVIDIA tools to save it direct from Photoshop as DDS. So if we open up Paint, take over our file we just created, and then simply just save it again as a DDS file. It's fine. And then make sure to save it as a DXT5, as that one holds the alpha channel in it, and that's all you need.